Hi, this is Mike with Electric Lab. So today, what I wanted to show you here is when you purchase one of our EL-430 trainers, this is how you will need to get power established to make the trainer work. So you see over here we have a 30 amp 12208 three-phase disconnect. We also have a receptacle up here. If you buy the one that has the PLC unit on it, you'll need to be able to power perhaps a laptop. And then up high here we have the light that will be the indicator light. So when you turn the unit on, there is indication that the unit is live when the student's working on it. So you'll need power supply coming from this disconnect onto the trainer, and you can see where they've got a conduit run across here into the trainer and then connecting to the three-phase power terminals, and then power from there is distributed throughout the trainer.